by patting your halloumi cheese dry on both sides. You then want to cut it into thick slabs, each about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. We're then going to make the marinade by combining honey, lemon juice, and thyme in a bowl. You can skip the marination, but this really helps to add flavor. To the honey, I'm going to add some lemon juice and thyme. Add your halloumi cheese, and we're going to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. The marination is optional, but it really helps build up the flavor. Brush the dressing on each side of the halloumi so each side is properly coated. Regarding the herbs, you can use other types of herbs such as oregano if you prefer. I had thyme and that's what I used. So I'm just going to cover this up and let it sit. Preheat your air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. You then want to place the halloumi slices inside your air fryer basket and then brush with some more of the marinade on the surface. Air fry for 7 to 8 minutes or until crispy to your liking. And this is how the halloumi cheese looks like after 8 minutes. If you like, you can flip it and air fry it for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Arrange it on a plate, brush with some of the remaining honey mixture, serve and enjoy.